All right, welcome. Today we are going on your very first quest into the world of programming. Our goal is simple, but it's really powerful. We're going to write and run your very first computer program. Let's get started. So, what if I told you that you could write your first computer program in like the next 5 minutes? I'm serious. That's not a trick question. By the end of this, you will have done exactly that. You'll have given the computer a command and watched it obey. You ready? Okay, so every good quest needs a powerful tool, right? Well, ours is called Python. We're going to use it to talk to the computer. So, what exactly is this thing? The key thing to know about Python is its simplicity. I mean, it's designed to be super readable and straightforward, without all the confusing, scary-looking symbols. It's a language that feels a lot like plain English. But don't let that fool you. It's incredibly powerful. It's used everywhere, from building websites and analyzing data to creating artificial intelligence. And that's exactly why it's the perfect place for us to start. Take a look at this. Believe it or not, this one little line of text is a complete program. It's just one simple command that tells the computer, hey, show the word hello on the screen. That's all it is. See? Nothing to be scared of. All right, before we start writing any code, every good adventurer checks their gear first. So we need to do a really quick check to see if you already have Python on your computer. It'll only take a second. Okay, so how do you check? Well, you'll need to open an application that lets you type commands. If you're on a Mac or an Ubuntu machine, that's called the terminal. If you're on Windows, it's called the command prompt. Once you get that little window open, you're ready for the next step. So in that window, try typing the first command, python-version, and just hit enter. If that gives you some kind of error, no big deal, just try the second one, python 3-version. If you see something pop up that says Python followed by a version number like 3.10.12, you're all set, you're ready to go. Now, if you didn't see a version number, don't worry about it at all. That's totally normal. It just means we get to forge our own tools. And this isn't a chore. Think of it as the part where we officially gear up for our programming journey. For all my Windows users out there, just follow these steps. Head over to python.org, grab the latest installer, and run it, but pay very, very close attention to step number 4 because it is absolutely crucial. Okay, here it is. This is the crucial part. When you're installing, you have to look for this little checkbox that says Add Python to Path. Make sure you check it. This tiny little step makes sure your computer knows where to find Python after it's installed. Trust me, it's the single most important click in this whole process. And for my Ubuntu users, it's actually even simpler. Just open your terminal and run these 2 commands one after the other. The first one just refreshes your system, and the second one grabs everything you need. Okay, our tools are forged. Now for the really fun part. We're going to write our first spell, the line of code that's going to bring our program to life. First things first, let's make a home for our code. Just create a new folder somewhere easy to find. You can call it python_learning. Then, inside that new folder, create a new blank file and name it lesson1.py. That .py ending is really important. It's what tells the computer that this is a Python file. Now open that new file in any basic text editor, like Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on Mac. Just copy this exact line from the screen and paste it right into your file. Print, parentheses, hello, Python. That's it. Save the file, and your spell is written. The moment of truth has arrived. We've checked our gear, we've written our spell, and now it is time to unleash the magic and see what happens. Head back to your command prompt or terminal. You'll need to navigate into the Python learning folder you created. You can usually do that by typing cd followed by the folder's path. Once you're inside, Windows users will type python lesson1.py, and Ubuntu users will type python 3 lesson1.py. Now, hit enter. And there it is! If you see the words, Hello, Python, printed on your screen, it worked. You did it. You just commanded your computer to speak. No, seriously, congratulations. You have officially written and successfully run your very first computer program. You took a thought, you translated it into a language the computer understands, and you saw the result. You know what that makes you? A programmer. So you've completed your first quest. You've said hello to a brand new world of possibilities. The real question now is, with this new power, what amazing things are you going to tell the computer to create next?